Right, got the Banshee 45 pistol. Got a can on the end. 25 stick mag. Got the FRT trigger. All right, today we are going to review actually 3 items. So we got the CMMG Banshee 45, the Holosun DRS TH thermal, and the SilencerCo Omega 45. And also, well, actually 4 things. I got an FRT in this. I had it installed, and it's kind of iffy. It runs, but sometimes it failure to feed. So yeah. And then the Holosun DRS, it's cool, but it is heavy. Let me see if I could get. Let me see. For one, it's not dark. Sorry, y'all. But it's just heavy. It's cool. It's a great idea, you know, to be able to have thermal vision on your optics. It's small, but it is heavy. It adds weight to the gun. And then, let's see, no complaints about the suppressor, the SilencerCo Omega 45. It's perfect. I haven't had any issues. I got a tri-lug adapter hooked up to it. So yeah, let's give it a run. Let's see, where are we aiming at? We'll go for that tree. Yep. Shit. Is that it? Nope, failure to feed. Yep. All right, here we go again. Yep, that's it. That motherfucker jerks. Trying to do this shit one-handed. But yeah, the gun is dope, but I think I might take the trigger out, or I don't know. I might just need to run some more rounds through it. But yeah, I guess it's like a modern day Tommy gun.